Well, the top speed on the nice little Hyper B here. So we're gonna do the different modes as far as in this video. This is mode 1. Let's see how fast we can get. That way, of course, I'm 155 pounds on here. And looks like maybe 20 miles an hour will be the top speed in mode 1. So yeah, definitely another thing I can tell is that the throttle is not that sensitive in this particular mode compared to the others. But let's get this thing to mode 2 and see how fast she can actually go. Of course, I'll have a GPS overlay. We'll actually see if that was 20 miles an hour. But the funky way to get this thing in different modes, so you hold the setting button and the ready, cut it on. You'll hear a funny audible Nickelodeon sound. Now we're in mode 2. Of course, you click it to ready. Let's see now what kind of speed. Definitely faster. 30 miles an hour. It said 31, but so mode 2, so mode 1, 20, mode 2, we had 30 miles an hour, so let's see about mode 3. Now, if you've checked out the other video, you probably already know the top speed in mode 3. But let's switch it over and see what we get. It's a really stupid way to have to switch modes. I wish you could just lock it or unlock it. But I get it, I guess. That way a kid won't accidentally do it. So let's see now. Definitely faster. Whee! Really twitchy. This is actually saying 46. So compared to other bikes that have this amount of power, this thing, of course, is really small, but it just gets up. Now the top speed isn't like crazy, but how fast it gets up to it is what's crazy to me. You definitely feel it. Of course, I got some regen on there, but yeah. I think everybody's sleeping on this thing. I think this is a great bike. And it's stupid powerful for this new version with 8,000 watts. I mean, if you watch a lot of bike review stuff, I don't know if you see the Travis Pastrana review, but they actually had this thing in the beginning, and I was really looking forward to them doing more with it, but I don't know if they had this updated version. But they kind of threw it out because of the size. It is small. I'm 5'10", 155 pounds, and I mean, you can kind of tell, you know, but still, if you've seen the other part of the review, you could put some bar risers on this thing, definitely open it up a little more, but yeah, I mean, it just goes. It feels a lot faster too because how small it is. I mean, let's look with the GPS here, just how fast it gets up to the top speed. So it lifts up and that's what's crazy. It definitely has a lot of torque. It might not have the craziest top speed, but getting up to it is how, I mean, this thing impresses me. Definitely a fun bike. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm probably gonna take it through some harder trails and just kind of see how it fares. This thing's definitely impressed me. I really am enjoying it. It is a little on the small side, but overall, very, very fun bike. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, guys.